How are you guys doing? We're right now waiting for Farghini to come out of his house. That's right. We're at Farghini's house in Santa Monica, and I want to talk to you guys about Santa Monica because I think we take a lot of the stuff that we do for granted, and I know that a lot of you guys don't live here and don't understand what LA is, what Santa Monica is, what's the difference between Orange County, this and all of that. So starting the vlog here in Santa Monica, I was asking Farghini, how would you describe Santa Monica? And what did he say, buddy?
He said it's basically like upscale on the beach.
He's pretty right, and there's a lot more retail here. For example, there's more stores, the Apple store here, the Promenade, like it's more commercial, if you will, than Malibu, for example.
Commercial upscale on the beach.
Yes, and you can get to Malibu and Santa Monica through PCH, which is Pacific Coast Highway, and that's the one that connects the two of them. So if you're in Santa Monica right here, and you want to get to Malibu, you got to drive this way by the coast. And then you get to Malibu within 20 minutes, you'd say.
Yeah, but when you say this way, it kind of depends on which way they're facing.
Of course. I mean, I hope that you guys know that and don't just follow my finger wherever you're going. So that's what Malibu, that's what Santa Monica are, and I just wanted to say that. And now we're waiting for Farghini to come out because the Tata hat was a successful launch, I think, for the next step for Puku Pal. So I told Farghini if he was kind enough to do something for Tata and get her like a nice present because, you know, she did a little something for us. And the way I want to pay it back, aside from for Tata, I'm going to donate $1,000 or $2,000 to a squirrel website. I swear to God, because I don't know, I don't feel like enough people help the squirrel, so that's why. Oh, Farghini, you're back. It's not there?
No.
You made us come all the way here to pick up this random thing, and you won't even, you'd know?
It's 3 minutes off course. Okay, let's go. I've never seen a stamp tramp on a truck bed.
A tramp stamp.
A tramp stamp.
Not a stamp.
A tramp stamp, whatever. That's what that is, right? That's the equivalent of a...
I think so. It's beautiful, and it's enigmatic.
Are you gonna get a truck tramp stamp?
I don't think so. I don't think it's my thing. I don't think it's my thing. So the deal is, Farghini, Rolls-Royce just released a brand new thing that you can put in a Dawn to make it look like this.
So a true two-seater.
Yes, and we're waiting right now for Avi, by the way, to get here. So we're just waiting outside of the shop. Farghini is the one who brought this up. He's saying that this, on a Wraith, which by the way, it's an add-on. You put it on the car so that it makes it look like it's a two-seater, right? Sportier, better looking. Kind of looks like the Wyra Roadster or the 570 on the back. He's saying that that part is gonna cost how much?
$125,000.
No chance.
Here you go, $18,000.
Okay, buddy, what are you saying?
25.
18, 25, 125. We're gonna call Danny at O'Gara and ask him.
What's up, Brandon?
Hey, Danny. Did you see the thing I just texted you?
Yeah.
How much? Do you know how much that is?
I can find out. I think it's like 15 or 20 grand.
Hold on. Hey, Danny's thought. Hold on, Danny. Don't get excited, guys.
Right now, that's
Danny's
right in the middle.
yeah. Danny's thought of a lot of things that didn't come to fruition.
Like what?
I don't know, but
You're the only one that thinks
Okay.
of things.
Danny. Can you? Is it possible you can find out right now so that this bit can work?
What bit?
We're doing it.
On your fucking radio show right now?
No, you're on the vlog.
Hold on a second. Yeah, I can find out. Hold on.
You're done, guys. 18 grand.
We're doing Price is Right rules, by the way.
You're fucked either way, so
Yeah,
you
you
are.
are.
Whoever's closer.
No. Actually, I have a chance of winning.
You have no chance of winning.
If we
You
go
went
over.
You're way over.
Oh yeah, I'm over. yeah, I'm over. Okay.
It's a Wednesday. Give him a break.
Oh, today you're not at your best.
I'm at my best.
Yesterday
I'm
we
at
found out that Farghini's at his best on Tuesdays and Thursdays. You guys can take that to the bank, by the way. Ask him. Aren't you at your best on Tuesdays and Thursdays?
Oh, Danny? Okay, what do you got for us?
So, first of all, you cannot order it after the fact. It has to be ordered with the car.
Oh,
Okay.
So that's one thing.
At least as of now.
Okay.
I think probably eventually they'll make it available for anything.
Yeah.
If you order it at the time you order the car, it's $25,000.
Yes!
God fucking damn it! Hey, I'm glad we didn't bet anything.
Wait, but...
Okay, so I know this is strange, but we needed this transition right now. This is the day after or whatever you saw yesterday because we had a cheese emergency. Cheese emergency. Do you care to explain what
you had a cheese emergency.
Do you care to explain what a cheese emergency is?
because I don't have
don't know.
this problem.
I feel like you did.
I never had this problem.
So my stomach was killing me. So unfortunately, we had to go home, and well, I had to go home because you know what happens.
Tell him why. Tell him what happens when you eat cheese.
It just hurts a lot. Let's just say it just hurts a lot. So let's pick up the M3.
And you could see all the cheese you ate from the previous vlog, right?
Oh!
I was working on this SL
Yeah.
and I slipped and my hand fell between the seat and the rail, and from the impact I thought I dislocated my shoulder. So I went after like 20 x-rays. They figure out that I have a torn rotator cuff, and they gave me all these medications, and I'm not taking anything.
Why not?
I'm not into that.
Can we put a carbon fiber shoulder on you? Can we get a carbon fiber
No, I have in next week I have to go to the doctor and they're gonna decide what to do. It's or surgery or let it heal.
Yeah, yeah.
You're screwed.
How long will you be out of commission if it's surgery?
I'm out of commission now. I'm working.
Yeah.
Do I have a choice?
Yeah, don't
And
worry.
then my worker got an eye infection the other day.
Oh my God.
And
holy
imagine
shit.
he's out.
Yeah.
He came back today. They found a metal piece in his eye. I don't even know how.
What?
Yeah, dude.
AMG? Was it an AMG medal?
No.
Was it M? Was it M or AMG?
It was something else.
But the shoulder did. It's beyond.
I'm sorry,
I
Abby.
can. This is fine. You see, like this is fine. The grip is
But
good.
can you go like this?
Like this I can do. Right? Look at this. Look at this. I can't go like this.
But you can go up and down like this, right?
Like this, yeah.
All right,
No, but
no,
like
but
this.
there you go. Okay, there you go, Abby. You got it. You got a few moves
I'm
still.
also left-handed. Like.
Oh, you're a lefty too?
Yeah.
My man. Me too.
Is that your new?
Yeah.
Is that your new baby?
You know, I've been dying to work on it for the past couple of days. I wasn't even able to take a post on Instagram because I took a couple of videos and I showed my wife. She's like, "Why is your hand all crookedy?" Because I can't raise my hand up and I can't press the button. It's weird to press the button and go like that.
You know you're fucked up when you can't make an Instagram
I know.
post.
Would you like us to help you today with some posts? Put some in the bank.
Hey, we're here, so we might as well.
Ooh.
Such an odd interior. I've never had a fully red interior, and this steering wheel. Look, he has like a grip on it. I have to do research on the car. Everything.
Oh,
Yes,
yeah, this
the
is a
cruise.
fully loaded one.
Keyless, wood. It's a nice car. Good miles, 80K.
He was what, 2004?
2004.
Boom. So this is the one I wanted back in the day. This is a supercharger one. You know how I know?
Yeah.
Compressor.
You see how the seat in the center ripped and stuff like that? We're all gonna redo everything. The whole bottom, both sides. That color combination, dude.
It's epic.
I fought for this car, dude. I was
With
fighting.
other guys at the auction.
Yeah, I was fighting with him.
Hey, you gotta fight for what you really want, right?
Yeah, dude.
What really is worth
Go
some.
find another red interior SL S55 with everything on it. Oh, I had one of your members. I sold the car without advertising. I don't know if you remember, I had an 04 CLK 55 here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kids came here, like 6, 7 kids, 16, 17 young kids. And they come here and, you know, it goes like, look, I saw you on Salomondrin and I really want to buy a used car. I don't know what to buy. I said, listen, what do you want? It goes something fun. I said, look, I have this car. It's a CLK 55 AMG. You like it? He goes, yeah. He didn't even test drive the car yet. He convinced his mom, brought his mom down.
Get outta here.
I swear to God. They bought the car from me, but you know what I did? I swear to God, that was almost no profit. Because he
Thank
didn't
you.
have a lot of budget.
Thank you.
And he really wanted the car. Dude, I changed everything. Every suspension work, engine work. Like I spent on the car more than I should have. Everything.
Hey,
I almost do your car, but
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you
Yeah,
on
but
his
that kid,
behalf.
you have to see the face.
I bet.
And he's gonna represent
Hey,
us. He's
show
gonna
us.
love it.
Show us the car. Show us.
Yeah.
Yeah, hit us up, please, and show us the car that Avi, that you got from Avi.
Hey, where was the dad? No dad involved?
No.
Was the mom cute?
There was like, you crazy.
Whoa, you're almost done with this one too?
Yeah, this one's done.
Wait, remember, we have first rider, whatever.
No, hey.
First rider.
He just got back and he's got a broken everything.
I
don't give a shit. I want the car.
I took it to my boy Eddie. Even that I told him, hey, you know, my shoulder is out. He goes, yeah, I saw you on Instagram. What's going on? I'm like, I can't work. He's like, whatever you need, I'll help you out. And this guy's a really cool cat. He's like an M certified mechanic. So I took him the car. I was like, look, just check it out for me. My guy's out, I'm out. I'm about to drive the car for long distance. Let me make sure everything is good. Because obviously this is one of the cleanest M3 he's ever seen.
Really?
I've done more work to this on the mechanical aspect than that M3. That one was not bad.
Yeah.
That one was just screwed up interior.
Yeah.
But this one was everything. Like anywhere from tranny to rear to the front.
Oh!
Carbon fiber there.
Yeah,
you got the
it
carbon
looks
fiber
good.
there.
And also back down here in the diffuser.
It's the whole car.
Well done, sir. Well done.
Let us know when this is done.
I will.
Because Farsha's gonna buy it.
No.
This is Avi's ML. You haven't even been able to post it because of your arm, huh?
Yeah, you see all the front grills with all.
Ooh, yeah. It looks brand new, dude.
2 weeks. People think, oh, you get the car, you clean it, you put it for sale. It's not.
No. Of course not. Of course
The
not.
recon for dealers takes about a week to 2 weeks.
Yeah.
If it's legit, you know, recon where you go through mechanical, the electrical, the everything, it's 2 weeks.
Yeah. Even says special edition on the
It
front.
is a special edition though.
It's Armor All, dude.
Lotion? What the fuck?
Wrong story.
Dude,
Wrong
is
story.
this the whole car?
Yeah. Yeah, Avi.
And it's not my oil.
It's not-
my oil. Long story.
Thank you for everything, Avi. Feel better, brother. I'm
All
gonna
over your carbon fiber.
take the upgrade. Thank you, Avi. All right, so the plan is we're gonna take these cars to my house, drop this one off, and go in the 4x4, pick up a gift for Tata because we didn't do that either, and we owe it to Tata. She's such a sweet squirrel. And after that, we gotta do the radio show, but I'm thinking maybe swap it up for a supercar because you know we always show up in these fucking trucks, and you know gotta change it up a little bit. Speaking of changing it up a little bit. All right, I'm gonna stop filming now, guys. I'm sorry. Now, Farghini was kind enough to take us on his Raptor to pick up Tata's present because we don't know how big it is. But look at this poser, right? Oh, Farghini, have you been off-roading? No, he has not. He's just been parking here on the side and just making a disaster off the street, so... God damn it, Farghini. That was not real off-roading, Farghini.
And then it makes a cool noise. Watch. It makes a cool noise. Watch.
Not a cool noise. It's all the dirt you're leaving behind on the street. Oh.
What am I supposed to do?
Almost at Petco now. Farghini, what are you gonna get, Tata?
She helped us sell 852 hats. So we're gonna go on a shopping spree for Tata today on Puku.
We'll see how cheap Farghini really is with good old Tata. But you know, she deserves a little bump on her life because she's the reason why Puku transitioned from just kids to adults.
Yep, we're gonna lace her up today.
Yes. So Farghini doesn't know anything about squirrels, so I want to see what he shows me that Tata would want. So these selections are gonna be top.
I'm gonna get her one of these. A new one, a different one of these.
She doesn't use that.
She doesn't use these?
No.
Sneak play tunnel.
She doesn't. No, she doesn't use the tunnel.
Do some math problems.
That she could use.
equations?
That she could do. Yeah, that she could do for real. If you buy her that, she'll chew through them.
Yeah, she'll like
Yeah,
it.
she'll buy that.
Drops with strawberry.
No.
Okay.
Tata eats Trader Joe's fruit. Like she's,
Yeah. She's organic.
That's right.
A walk up? No, she doesn't need a walk up.
But
No,
she's gotten that before.
cheesy chew. Like daughter, like dad. Cheese.
Oh, poor Tata. No, you know what? We're actually
No, yeah,
canceling.
yeah.
We're actually canceling the cheese for Tata.
Hey, I want this one. Look. Come on. Alejandro, please.
Farghini, she's a
Please.
squirrel.
She'll adapt to this one. I've always wanted to do these.
She will not adapt to it.
By the way, $37 she ain't getting this.
So number one, Farghini.
Yeah.
She can never have enough of those,
Oh, okay.
right? And he just rained, and it's
Okay.
gonna rain tomorrow, so
Okay.
maybe a new one would get her. Like,
Let me see how much these are.
what do you mean? Let me see how much
I
these
didn't know.
are. Wait, hang on. You really thought you could buy Tata? How much are these? Like 20 cents?
Do you guys have financing? Anyone finance?
So you're gonna give her that? Thank you, Farghini. Thank you.
Come on.
Thank you.
Least we could do.
She's gonna enjoy the shit out of it. Makes me so happy. Exactly. And it makes me happier to see you carry it because I'm always the one struggling. Thank you, Farghini. Thank you. Honestly, thank you, Farghini. It makes me very happy that Tata's getting a new toy or a new
Watch her
anything.
hate it.
No, she's gonna love it because she's gonna chew the shit out of this. Thank you. Let's see how the flatbed is. Boom, double click on the remote. That does that.
I wish I had a tailgate that did 8 different things.
The Sierra is the one that does that. But we're seeing if we can steal that and put it into our trucks. Oh, that was way easier than the one we bought last time. Way easier. You got the pencils? Just making sure you don't No. Take him with you. Thank you, Farghini.
Oh, this is not power up?
I'm sorry, unfortunately, it's not. Thank you.
Beep, beep, beep.
Every Raptor guy loves doing that. That's for goddamn sure. All right, it's 11:30 in the morning, and I feel like we've had a long day, and we still have the radio show to do. Have you had breakfast?
I did have breakfast, but I'm starving.
Are you
lunch.
starving?
Yeah, starving.
You want to go to a burrito spot?
Yes.
Let's do it. Farghini just came up with an idea because literally Petco is right there and Danny is right there, O'Gara Westlake. We're just gonna stop by and see Danny and just drive through the used car lot thing. Because why not, Farghini? O'Gara Westlake, here we go. You don't want to hit him. Like this one, for example. Bye, Danny.
Can you tell Danny we said hi?
Yeah.
Thank you.